In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create these comic effects in your videos with AI. So to do that, we need to go to novoads.ai. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. Then, after you create the account, you will arrive here. And here, we need to go to the video section. Now we have to go to settings. And here, we need to use these settings. In model, we're going to use Omniflash. And in length, we have to use the length of our video. So now we have to click here and upload the video that we want to modify. So let's click here, and here where it says describe your video, we're going to use the following prompt. Now we have to click here, now click in generate, and now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally, I like it a lot, the video. This comic style, I like it a lot. So if you want to try this platform, I want to tell you that you can try it for just $1. So I recommend you to try the platform, and actually, with that dollar offer, you will receive 10 credits, and the video that we did had a cost of 5 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.